Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Healy Diesel Pneumatic Forklift with a cab, model number CPCD100 CU7G. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're ready to buy, lease, or rent, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 22,000 pounds, and it runs on a Cummins 3.8 liter diesel engine. You'll see there on the door that it has a heater to keep your operator warm even during the winter months, and you'll see that it has 4-way hydraulics. While we're on this side, I'll mention that it has a cup holder as well as a paper clip. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 2-stage mast with a max height of 130 inches, and it has your integral side shifting fork positioners. Now, the forks are 72-inch standard tapered forks. The tires are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Now looking up here to the front, we have dual rear view mirrors as well as a windshield wiper, and way up there on the top are those combination lights with the ultra bright LED headlights as well as the turn signals. Now this cab is every operator's dream because it is light, spacious, airy, and will keep them comfortable during all of Ohio's weather. And it has some great features inside, including that rear view mirror up on top, that convex rear view mirror. We also have a steering wheel knob as well as an adjustable steering column. We have a full suspension operator sensing seat that is fully adjustable, and you'll see here that it has the orange high visibility safety belt as well. Now back there on that back pillar, you'll see that we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that allows your operator to keep their thumb on a horn at all times, even when backing up. And also for their comfort, we have that operator fan as well as that dome light. Now, as I mentioned, having a cab is a great feature here in Ohio, and that's because it keeps them warm in the winter, keeps them dry whenever it's rainy, but they can also open up these windows during the summer months to get some ventilation through there. Now you'll see we have that pre-cleaner up there on the top, as well as the combination lights that include your turn signals, your brakes, and your reverse. And back there we have that magnetic movable yellow strobe. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available as well as other features that you need to know about.